Open setting, click About Phone. Here your device info. Go back. Click System App Updater. Click right upside 3 dot and click Setting. Click Auto Update. Select Don't Update. Go back. Click Security Status. Click Google Play Protect. Click right upside Setting Icon and on all settings. Go back. Click Scan. Check your apps and device for harmful behavior, any security risks found, then delete apps on your device. Go back, click Google Play System Updated. Go back. Click Wi-Fi. Click Additional Settings. Go back. Click Bluetooth. Click Additional Settings. Turn on. Go back. Click Mobile Network. Click SIM card. Click Access Point. Your network and data not working, then appearing Settings Reset. Here additional network modification. Go back. Click Mobile Network. Click 4G and 5G. Go back. Click here to turn on Wi-Fi calling. Go back. Click here to change calling SIM. You're using dual SIM to select not set. Click here to change data SIM. Click data roaming. This setting only international travelers. People using this, United International Travelers. Select never. Go back. Click more connectivity options. Click hotspot. Click here to turn on hotspot. Click set up hotspot. Click Security, select UPA 3 Personal, select at band 2.4 GHz for range ins, select 5 GHz for speed. Go back, click Data Limit, turn on. Click here, set data limit. Click here and set custom data limit. Click here to change MB and JB. Click here, click Turn Off and Notify. Go back. Click Connected Device. Set device limit. Select your use need. Click Block List. Select device name to block. Go back. Click here. This host name blocks, ads block, and adult content block. This host name blocks, ads block, and tracker block. Go back. Click Data Usage. Click right upside. Click Wi-Fi Usage. Click Mobile Data Usage. Click here, check your data usage today and this month. Click Reset Wi-Fi Mobile Network and Bluetooth. Reset, then setting you lose Wi-Fi saved network and Bluetooth connected device. Go back. Click Lock Screen. Click Sleep. Click 30 seconds. Your device power button not working. Turn on this setting. Double tap to wake up device screen. Note, this setting only work pre-installed Windows. Click here to turn off. Click here. Click here to turn off. Go back. Click Notifications and Status bar. Click Notification Style. Click Classic. Swipe down to check Notification Style. Swipe down, check Notification Style. Go back. Click here. Watch here. Click here. Watch here your net speed.